Today, we will learn about the phrase hang something on somebody. This means to blame someone for something. Sometimes the blame is unfair. You can use it when someone is accused of a mistake. For example, they hung the mistake on John. It means John is blamed for the mistake. The structure is simple. Hang something on somebody. You can say hang the blame on her or hang the fault on him. Remember, this phrase is mostly informal. It is common in everyday English. Don't confuse it with hang on, which means to wait. Also, pin something on somebody is similar but stronger. Use hang something on somebody when talking about blame. For example, don't hang your problems on me. This means don't blame me for your problems. You can practice by making sentences. Try, they hung the failure on the new employee. This means the employee was blamed for failing. Use it to describe unfair or unfair blame. Now you can use hang something on somebody naturally in conversations. Keep practicing to improve your English